Wow, we got another southbound coming. Gosh, that wasn't but 10 minutes ago. Wonderful seeing the riders. There we go. Southbound. Wow. Man, that was like 10 minutes ago when that other one just went by. I'm liking this spot. I'm liking this spot. You know what else is good about this spot is I get cell coverage, so I can call home, which I had to do to let everybody know where I was at. Well, not everybody, just my mama. Told her I was going to this other place, or the other camp, but it wound up, like I said, being way too smoked out up there. So that's really good that we have some cell coverage out here. The only problem is I don't get any internet out here, so I can't like upload anything, so that sucks. Alright, back to camp, get here in the shade, and we'll bring you back another one when it comes. Well, it's pretty exciting so far. Let me know if you like this spot. Like I said, obviously it's different than the other place where I was at. We're on the east side of the Cascades right now.